New listings are slow to enter the market right now, but there is activity expected as many sellers are preparing their home now for entry into the late spring market. The lifting of COVID restrictions and availability of vaccinations are creating optimistic outlooks with predictions of a boomerang effect in the market 2021. It's Friday, March 12th, 2021, and I am Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Here's a quick overview of activity since my last week's report. 1,575 are newly active with a median price up to $357,450. 1,202 are coming soon. 745 homes went under contract in 7 days. 243 are newly temporarily off the market. 1,641 moved to pending. 1,340 homes settled last week. The highest priced home to sell this past week was an estate in Potomac's Falconhurst for $4,300,000. The number of available homes for lease has decreased further to 1,430 homes from $500 for a bedroom in a shared house to $30,000 for a 10-suite hotel. If you have questions about your situation, give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's a wrap for Friday, March 12th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.